Hey guys, this is the unboxing video of JL Audio JD400/4, the new amplifier from JL Audio. It comes with NexD switching technology, and you can see here the pricing mentioned is 34,990. I got it at a different rate, obviously not at MRP, so you can contact me separately for the pricing and all. So this is a class D 4-channel amplifier, and you can see this is the warranty card. These are the Allen keys given along with the amp, and this is the owner's manual, you can read, and this is the amp itself. So build quality is superb. So let me remove it. So this is the amp here. You can see the JL Audio branding over here and the model number written over here. So this is the serial number written on the back side. You can see it is engineered in USA, and these are the ports on one side and here on the other side too. So you can see the power connections here, grounding and remote and speaker outputs are given this side, and on the other side you can see all the inputs are given. There are two pre-outs, and input selection is given, and you can see the input sensitivity and the filter mode, high pass filter, low pass filter. You can all set it here. Okay, so this is how it looks. Build quality, it is super, very heavy. So I'm excited to install it and get the output, the best output ever from a 4-channel amp at this price range. I guess this is the most value for money amp. So if you have any queries, you can comment down below and contact me as well, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you guys.